Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to rent or buy movies on our Google TV. So let's check it out. Google or Google TV might change the interface in the future. If the options appear different when you're watching this, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. Sometimes before we get the new movies on OTT platforms, they will be available for renting or buying online. We can prefer that if we want to enjoy the weekend with our family or friends. And sometimes the movies which are not available on any platforms will be available only for rent or buy. To rent or buy movies on our Google TV, we can search for the movie we want. If it is available, then we can do that. To get started, we have to keep our smartphone ready with the same Google account we are using on our Google TV, because the payment part happens on our phone only. So to do this, we have to search for the movie first. We are going to search for this movie called Resident Evil. We will go for the first part. This one. I want to watch this now. We have two options, rent and buy. We can select any of them. When we rent a movie, it will be available for 30 days. But once we start to play the movie, we only have 48 hours to complete it. So please keep this in mind. We are going to buy this movie now. So go to buy, select that. So we have two options for the quality. HD is good for smart TV. So we will select that. This is the price for HD and this is the price for SD. So we will get like this. Here we have two options to complete this payment. We can do this using our mobile or we can do this using our web browser. We will see them both now. Now on our mobile, if we are using the same Google account, we will get a notification like this. Continue your purchase, buy Resident Evil. We just have to select this. We will get this payment pop-up. We can select the payment method we want. We will go with UPI. So I'll complete the payment and get back to you. Payment successful. Now on our TV, it got reflected as well. I'll show you. Payment successful. Resident Evil is now available on your TV. Got it. That's all. Now as you can see, it got reflected on our TV as well. We have two options. Watch now, watch later. We can select any one we want and it will open the player. We can start to watch the movie. That's all. And if you want to see the movie you just purchased, then we can go to this logo and select library. And here we will have the movie. We can select that and we can watch that. And if you want to do this on your desktop, then we have to open a web browser. Go to g.co/playcontinue. We have to log in with the same Google account we are using on our Google TV. Then we will get like this. Here we can select the payment method and we can complete the payment. That's all. These are the steps to rent and buy movies on Google TV. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.